sifting now 1 cup of APF. So, yan ang 1 cup of APF, ha? Okay. So, I'm sifting now the sugar. 2 tablespoons of sugar. To make sure na walang buo-buo. Kaya siya sinisif. So, these are the ingredients for the cream puff. Are 1 cup of APF or all-purpose flour, 1 cup of water, 4 eggs, 1/2 cup of butter, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, for the fillings, we need 2 cups of evap milk, 3/4 cups of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 4 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, so that's it. Our cooking will start. First step, I already pour the 1 cup of water, plus 1/2 cup of butter, and then 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then I'm going to put it now on the stove with a very low flame. Okay? So I already set the flame on the stove very low, and then I already dissolve the butter, the sugar on a 1 cup of water. So it's already dissolved. Once it's already dissolved, I will add already then I am going to add pinch of salt. Then I will add now 1 cup of APF. Okay, and then mix it well. So when I added the APF, ito na nangyari sa kanya, no? Ang bilis niyang nabuo. Yan. So you just mix it well. And then later, we will remove this in the pan and put it in a mixing bowl and let it. So habang mainit pa siya, no, i-ganyan nyo lang i-mix to make sure na walang namumuong APF at smooth na yung pinaka-dough natin for cream puff. Ayan. Okay. Tapos let it to add the egg. 1 at a time. 1 by 1. Then you mix. Mix it. And egg. Yan. So, on the second egg na ako. Okay. So, just the same. Pero meron kasi nasamang I need to remove it. Yung pinakabalat. So, just the same. Continuous pa rin. So, i-add ko na yung last 2 eggs. And then, instead of manual mixing, gagamitin ko na yung electric mixer para mas mabilis. Ayan. So, iyaano ko lang muna ng konti bago ko electric. Okay, so yan. Electric mixer nyo na para blender na siya. Until it is well blended. So, ito na siya, no? As you can see. Ayan. Okay na yan. Pwede nyo na i-stop ang beating. Okay. Lahat sumama. Now, in a pastry bag, and will be placed on a baking sheet later. Namihan na natin para tuloy-tuloy ang pag-shape mamaya. Hindi na ako naglagay ng pastry tip kasi So, ang laki pala. So, it must be 1 inch apart. So, as you can see, maliit lang yung nilagay ko doon. Tapos, parang ng taas. Maangat. Your fingers wet, huh? So you just need to remove those thick part. Okay. Okay. So this is now how it looks like, no? Smart na siya. So this one, the egg wash, I'm going to tap this. I'm going to brush it on top of the pre-bake for 15 minutes cream puff. And then we turn them in. Pwede cancel lang. Yung urong ko na siya. Actually, hindi ko siya nagustuhan. Maganda yung angat. Okay, so I'm going now with the egg wash so that it will turn brown. Then return it in the oven for another 2 minutes. Nagkaroon ako ng video. So I'm going to return it again. Bake it for another 15 minutes. Yan. Okay. Wait until So for the fillings, we need 4 eggs, 3/4 cups of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 cups of evaporated milk. So we will mix them all in the pan, then cook it later. So I'm beating now the eggs so that when it turns smooth, I'm going to place it and add this to the milk and other ingredients in the pan. Okay. So let's see. So I will add now the beaten eggs. Okay. And then add the sugar. And then add the cornstarch. So I'm cooking now the filling. Okay, so you just need to stir it. Stir it until it turns thick. Okay. Once it's already thick, you place it in a bowl and let it cool. Okay. So since it's already boiling, so you can now add the 1 teaspoon of vanilla to add taste. Okay, and add taste and smell. Good smell. This is now the thickened filling for the cream puff. And then maybe 2 more minutes, and then after that I'm going to remove this already from the stove and cool it, and then inject it later. Here you go. So I'm going to inject now the filling. So ito medyo may space siya dyan. Butasan lang, tapos inject na yan. Parang di ko makaba. Kasi nakababa na siya. Then ayan na. I-press ko na yan para malagyan ng laman sa ayan. So, nandyan na. May laman na yan sa loob. Ha? May laman na siya sa loob. Okay lang siya mag-overflow ng konti. Pwede din naman sa side. Kasi pwede naman siya overflowing kahit paano. Ito sa side. Hindi pwedeng walang laman. So, okay naman siya kasi may... okay lang naman siya na may overflow.
Hindi kasi nakaano.
Ay, naku, umapaw na. Yan. Oo, meron na siyang laman. So, ito naman. Sa gilid kasi meron na siyang opening. Ayan. So, hayaan nyo lang siyang mag-overflow. Pwede rin naman siya mag-overflow. So, ito. May opening na siya rito. So, dito na. Lagyan nyo muna ng syrup yung platito. Yung platito. Very quick lang. Talagang meron na masabi. May sabi, no? Lalagyan ba natin din na?
Pwede lagyan mo.
Lagyan pa ulit. So, on top naman ng pwedeng paikot siguro, no? Paikot naman. Okay. Yan, mabilis na okay lang. Naman yung tinatanong kanina sa akin ni Jana, no? Ito yung aking natirang buttercream icing, no? Na nilagay ko sa ref. So, pinasok ko na rito yung laman niya na iba para ito yung i-inject ko naman sa cream puff para may iba siyang flavoring. Ang feeling ay buttercream o whipped cream with butter and confectioner sugar. So, it's a mixture of all-purpose cream, condensed milk, and butter. So, ayan. So, whipped cream. I was able to make my own caramel syrup. It's a combination of 1/2 cup brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 7 tablespoons of water.